Most of your best customers buy once and disappear, not because they didn't love your product, because you never gave them a reason to come back. Bold memberships and loyalty changes that. Launch a tiered loyalty program in minutes with exclusive perks, recurring revenue, and a member experience that works online, in-store, and in your customers' wallets. Give members automatic discounts, free shipping, and store credits that drop every billing cycle. Gate products, collections, pages, and checkout behind member-only access. Enforced at the resource level, not just hidden CSS. At the register, Bold Memberships and Loyalty recognizes your members in real time, so the in-store experience matches the online one. And every member automatically gets an Apple or Google Wallet pass, scannable in store, updated in real time, always on their lock screen. Bold Memberships and Loyalty supports 8 languages and Shopify markets. All 16 benefits, 0 developer work. Try it free for 30 days. Install Bold Memberships and Loyalty and give them a world worth returning to.